credit cards. Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card. Jump to details. With the Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card, you get access to chase unlimited rewards, one of the most versatile travel rewards programs. Re- Redeem points you earn for business spending for travel through Chase. Transfer them to more than a dozen airline and hotel partners, or choose from several other redemption options. Pair your Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card with the Chase Sapphire Reserve to get 1.5 cents per point on travel redemptions through Chase Unlimited Rewards. Rewards: earn 3 points per dollar on the first $150,000 spent on travel and select business categories. Each account anniversary year, and 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. Welcome offer: earn 100,000 points after spending $8,000 on purchase in the first 3 months from account opening. Annual fee $95. Other benefits and drawbacks: in addition to earning valuable rewards for travel, the card comes with added travel benefits like increased bonus rewards on Lyft rides, no foreign transaction fees, trip cancellation and trip interruption insurance, plus primary rental car collision damage insurance. As a card holder, you also receive additional consumer protections like cell phone, extended warranty, and purchase protection. Inc. Business Unlimited Credit Card. Jump to details. Sometimes you just want to earn rewards without thinking about it. With the Inc. Business Unlimited Credit Card, you earn flat rate cashback rewards. There are no categories to track to maximum rewards earning opportunities, all without paying an annual fee. Rewards: earn 1.5% cashback rewards on every business purchase. Welcome offer: earn $900 bonus cashback after spending $6,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. Annual fee $0. Other benefits and drawbacks: the Inc. Business Unlimited Credit Card offers a solid 0% introductory APR for 12 months on purchases, then a 18.49% to 24.49% variable APR applies for purchases and balance transfer. A balance transfer fee of either $5 or 5% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater, applies. Perfect for a business owner with large upcoming purchases they want to finance. For more flexible redemptions and value, You can pair the Ink Business Unlimited credit card with a premium Chase Travel Rewards card. Unfortunately, this card charges a foreign transaction fee, so it's not ideal to use during international travel. The Blue Business Plus credit card from American Express. Jump to details. It costs money to start or run your own business, and those business expenses may extend beyond your available credit limit. The Blue Business Plus credit card from American Express. Terms apply. See rates and fee. Comes with expanded buying power, which allows you to spend over your credit card limit without extra fees or added interest on the amount above your limit, as long as you pay the minimum payment required by the end of the billing period. American Express determines eligibility and expanded credit based on factors like payment, credit, and financial history. Earn two memberships. Earn two membership rewards points per dollar on every